this up in the air. Right, this is the cheerson 3X, no, cheerson CX30S. And it binds straight away. Very windy this morning, but we'll see how we go. I'm going to put it straight into third rates. Because as I say, it is extremely windy. It's going to go like this, stink that way. Let's fight in the wind. Just about. See if I can keep it low. It's going to be awkward because it is extremely windy. Now I've heard problems with this. Several people have said that they've had problems with it, that it can, for no reason at all, start doing flips. And apparently the range on it is supposed to be not so good, so I'm going to fly it out there. Go miles. I'm not going to let it go too far because I'm only a novice, so I might lose it. And it does cut. If you cut the radio, it goes stink. Oh, that's not too bad. That really did almost get away from me there. Can't let it go too far. It's very lively. It's got very small propellers. But it's extremely lively, as you can see. Not too much with it. Test the yaw. The yaw is quite slow actually. Pitch, there's a pitch. It's not an amazing pitch. It seems to pitch back further than when it pitches forward. Although that isn't the wind. Yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah, it's quite nice. This does come with an FPV and it's 5, it's just starting to rain, so I'm not going to be here very long, especially if it comes down and rain heavily. Yeah, it's a 5.8 system that it came with and it was extremely cheap. I don't know how I managed to get it as cheap. I think I got it from GearBest or Banggood I think, and it was unbelievably cheap. It must have been in some sort of a deal because at the moment they're almost 50 quid, £50. I think they're £47 and I got this for under £18. It was just so much of a bargain that I just couldn't resist it, because I'm almost certain that the camera, which is a 720 camera, will fit my JXD 251, and if it does, that's a real bonus. It may not, but if it does, it's a bonus. I think the camera on this, flying it as a camera bird, it'd be too much, but without the camera and just as a standard sporty type flyer, it's great. And it is windy. See, now it's really struggling into the wind now. It's going to come back like a bat out of hell. It's cutting through the wind. If I keep it low, because as I've said in the previous video, where I fly, it is fairly sheltered, and it will fight the wind. It's definitely fighting the wind. It's a great little bird. Really happy with this, especially for the money. I will test it. I will test the FPV on it, but as I say, I'm not an FPV flyer. I'm more line of sight. Wow! Don't do FPV, but it's something I will eventually get into. But for the time being, some nice funnels there, and the lights are pretty good because it's daylight and I'm close up. There's no problem seeing these lights. Saying that, now I can't see them. I like the orange the orange props on the front. It helps with the orientation. I've stuck the little feet on it. It's got little red feet, little plastic red feet, because I know that people did say that they come off almost immediately you get it out of the box, which you don't want to be losing them if you can help it, so I've super glued those on. So we shouldn't have a problem with that. I do like taking risks. As you can probably tell by the way I'm flying it, the battery, is the battery getting weak? I think it may be. No? It's a reasonable flight time. Yeah, they are now flashing, so it's not bad. Don't know exactly what that was, but not bad. So there you go, Cheerson X30, Cheerson CX X30S. Bye for now.